Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Time for another love read for you. These are general collective readings, Gemini, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Gemini, as always, we'll start with a Ganesha Oracle card to bless your reading and an Angel Blessing card as well, and then we'll start your tarot. So Lord Ganesha, a blessing or an advice card for my Gemini. Okay, so the card which was trying to flip out for you, Gemini, was guidance. And that's exactly what we're doing here, aren't we? Trying to look for guidance for our love life. So let's see what Lord Ganesha wants to say. And let's see what my angels want to say as well. What advice or blessing there is from them. Blessing or an advice card for my Gemini, please. Thank you. Okay, this one seems to be trying to show face. We'll keep this one, and let's keep this one, and let's put the rest back, Gemini. So the first card I have for you here, Gemini, is from Lord Ganesha, is prosperity. Beautiful. This is what we pray to Lord Ganesha for. This is, most of you know, but this Lord Ganesha is the god that we prayed for abundance and prosperity. And to get a direct, card of prosperity from Lord Ganesha is fabulous. Congratulations. And let's see what my angels want to give you is activist. Yes, some quick action needs to be taken or is getting taken. There's a lot of activity that's going to come into your life now, which is going to bring you happiness and prosperity, it seems. But why are these cards here for your love read, I wonder? Let's see. Let's open your cards and check it out. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being such a support to the channel. I am very, very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm going to be setting down 2 sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I have your mutual energies. So for the duration of this reading, Gemini, I'll be calling them person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. Okay? So let's begin. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me at my email. It's in the description box below. So Gemini, bottom of my deck, I do have your card, the Lovers, and it's in reverse, which means you could be making a decision here. Maybe you have to make a decision here, choosing somebody in love, for love, I don't know. Let's open the cards and figure this out. So the first card I have here, Gemini, for person A is 8 of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, 4 of Cups, Temperance, Hierophant, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. Let's see the other side. Person B has the 7 of Swords, 5 of Wands, 6 of Cups, Page of Pentacles in reverse, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Hermit. Somebody was looking for some work to be put into a relationship. It seems here, Gemini, somebody was hoping or expecting their wishes to come true here, wanting somebody to put in some more work into a relationship here. But I think what they got was maybe some romance and some they were not offered exactly what they were expecting. This person wanted to move forward, they wanted to move ahead, they wanted clarity as to where is this relationship going. They didn't want to have any secrets between the two of you. They wanted somebody to come together with them and plan a future maybe. But I think what they got in return was just romance and a love offer, yes, but not to the degree I think that they were expecting. Knight of Cups. What's this Knight of Cups? Yes, whatever offer was given to them, I think Gemini, for person A, it didn't make them feel very happy. They felt there is no victory here. This is not the kind of, result that I was looking for. I was looking for much more than a romantic song and chocolates. Here, I was looking for commitment here. And this has kind of made the person A feel a little rejected, maybe sad, depressed, that the offer that they were seeking, it never really came to them. I think person A is now kind of trying to heal themselves. Yeah, this person is in isolation, in hermit mode, trying to kind of just be by themselves and see what happened, why it happened, feeling a bit sad, rejected, trying to heal their broken heart, trying to come out of a tough spot and move to a, calmer place for themselves. So what's this Temperance card, Spirit, for person A? Yeah, they feel that they did not receive the actual love offer that this person was expecting. Person A really wanted a big cup of love. In fact, all they got was a Knight of Cups, right? A small offer, not resulting in anything. They're still trying to heal from the realization that this offer was never really on the table. There was a lack of commitment here which was being offered. Maybe now they realize that this person may have just been a player. This person just was in their life for the passion and offered them nothing of concrete value here. So yes, they're also realizing that this person is not offering to be the husband or the wife or the spouse, and this is an ungrounded relationship, not offering any kind of stability which could be related to a commitment here. And that's the realization person A is in, of not getting the offer that they expected. Yeah, this has not made person A feel happy at all. The realization that this person is just a Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups, and is never ever going to offer them an equal partnership or an equal give and take or a commitment or a happily ever after. This realization has broken person A's heart here, right? Now I think they are on the verge of ending this chapter altogether and wondering now is it time to start maybe a new one without this person. Let's see person B. Person B has the Seven of Swords. Now Gemini, this could be you or this could be you. You'll know your story. So this person B, yes, has been a bit sneaky, it seems. They have not been able to make any decision. They've been up in their head. They have been kind of stuck in their own life, I think. They've been totally up in their head, not wanting to make a decision. They have been trying to keep themselves protected, not giving any offer, maybe snuck away in the past when they were expected to. Maybe this led to a kind of conflict, or maybe there were other people in the mix. There could have been competition around them. There is an Empress here who's showing up in their life. Who's this Empress? Five of Wands, Spirit. Five of Wands. Yes, this person may have had more than one person they were dealing with. This person was not sure of this relationship, and maybe they were confused about that. That's why they were not trying to make any decision, and that led to this anger and fighting. This person is not wanting to be in this confusion anymore. They want to go towards their soulmate who can make them very happy. So then, is this somebody else, Spirit? Then who's this person? Why is there a Page of Pentacles here? Why is there a Page of Pentacles? What is this person bringing something to an end? Why is there stagnancy now? This sneaking away from somebody here, Gemini, this is person B. This person has realized where their happiness lies. They don't want to be competing or in competition with anyone else. If they had a lot of options in the past, they don't want to choose one now. They are trying to escape from a situation where they may have been involved in a third party situation here, right? This person is trying to bring a halt to one situation because they're trying to escape it and come into happiness for themselves. Right now, the Wheel of Fortune is stuck between person A and person B. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Why is the Wheel of Fortune stuck? Because this person wants to be single now. This person B wants to be single. They want to have that option to choose. Just as I said that here, this person wants to be single. They want to have that option to choose their happily ever after. Okay, so right now they're bringing everything to a stagnant halt. I think escaping from all their situations if they had more than one, and trying to come to a place where they are single, where they can have that platform where they can, make that choice for themselves. And this is the second time, Gemini, your card is here. So this side could be you. I had it at the bottom of my deck as well, where this person is trying to make a choice and they want to be single to be able to do that. This person is in reflection mode. This person is in hermit mode. They are thinking of the best course of action for themselves. Yes, this person is in reflection mode. They're thinking back of all the confusion that has been created by them. I think this is the Knight of Cups who is showing up here as well, who did not bring happiness to person A. They are showing up again on their side and saying, yes, I understand what I've done. Maybe I was a bit of a flirt, and maybe I created all this conflict and confusion around all my situations, but now this person is trying to clean up their act and then head towards the one person who makes them very happy. So let's see what's happening in your mutual energy here. 9 of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the 5 of Cups. So 9 of Pentacles, yes, that's it. That is a card of a single person. So there are still a lot of secrets being kept here about why this person wants to be single or why this person is not committing. I think both of you still have a passion-filled relationship and want to return back to this passion, but somebody is still keeping a lot of secrets here. There is a King of Swords in reverse. Now the King of Swords in reverse doesn't really have any clear communication. They keep things quite hidden. There is a need for communication though as to why this person is behaving like this. And so I have two people who are really not on the same page here. There is a feminine here who's pulling back her love, and there is a King of Pentacles, so a King of Swords here who's also kind of in reverse, and there is going to be a conversation here coming up soon about why things are falling apart, why there were these 3 cups, what happened, why this relationship is failing. There is a lot of regret here. I have this card here twice. A lot of regrets about the past, and there's going to be a lot of communication coming in as well between these two as to what happened, why it happened. So why is there so much regret and sorrow here, Spirit? 5 of Cups. Because somebody wants to put an end to this relationship. This is going to be a tower moment, Gemini. You could be doing this to somebody, or somebody could be doing this to you. Yes, somebody has taken stock to see what their behavior was in the past, or where they have invested and where they want to invest in now, right? So there is a lot of regret for the way these cups fell to the ground, and a lot of sadness, sorrow for the past. This is going to be like a tower moment, which is going to maybe be the ending of a relationship which is not working out. So Gemini, if you are on person B side, you're trying to make a decision to choose one, the person who makes you extremely happy. And if you are this side, then yes, you can expect communication from this person who is not giving you the clarity, who's not offering you the commitment as to why they are unable or not offering you that happily ever after. I think some secrets are soon to be revealed now, Gemini, as to what's happening in this relationship. Let's take 3 cards of advice for you. Advice for my Gemini spirit. One more. One more. Lots of secrets are coming out, Gemini. Either you will be revealing these secrets, or light will be illuminated and these secrets will be highlighted and it will be shown. Whatever happens, Gemini, once everything is out in the open, it's going to be the end of all this stress, tension and worry. If you have been stuck in a no man's land where you've neither been here or there, once this conversation happens and things become clear, it will put you at least in a place that you don't have to worry about it anymore. You won't be stressed about it anymore. And yes, there can be a rebirth of your life, literally. You can start something in a very positive new direction. Maybe with the spouse person, I don't know, let's see. But it could also be your own life transforming after, things are out in the open. So the moon, why is the moon here? Yes, total transformation will happen after all secrets are revealed. A death to the old and a brand new beginning is possible for you. But somebody has to make up their mind to be able to choose. There is a choice to be made. Nine of Swords. Somebody is actually hoping to let go of their stress and worry and move towards the person that they love to have a reunion. So I don't know, Gemini, this could be your old person who you're letting go of, or this could be the person you are finally going to open up your secrets and maybe have a reunion with. It could go both ways. But I do see this side B having to make a choice before this reunion and this rebirth can take place. Judgment. Yes, somebody wants to do the right thing and bring justice. Justice will be restored. New beginnings are possible. Huge transformation is possible. Whoever's trying to make a choice between two, once you are able to speak your honest truth to the other players, I think, in the game, and be clear as to who you are choosing, it's going to be painful, yes, I know there are some delays and there's some stress around that, but once that's done, yes, the person B is going to be able to move towards a reunion, happiness, a rebirth where their life can come back into balance here. Right? So it's action time for you, Gemini. If you have been stressed and worried and not being able to speak your truth, yes, you are in a stressful place. Your life will start growing in a very prosperous way once, you are honest. So this could be you, Gemini, could be your other person, but things will be cleared out. There is a need for somebody to come forth and speak their honest truth and give their emotions out there in love or an apology or something. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. I hope something in this resonated. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.